When your Lasko space heater won't turn on, start with the most basic check. Ensure your heater is plugged directly into a working wall outlet. Next, carefully inspect the power cord and plug for any visible damage. Look for cuts, burns, exposed wires, or bent prongs that could prevent proper electrical connection. If the cord looks good, test a different outlet, preferably in another room. This helps rule out problems with the original electrical outlet or circuit. If the heater still won't turn on, perform a complete reset. Power off the heater, unplug it from the wall, and wait 10 to 15 minutes. This allows the internal components to fully reset. These basic troubleshooting steps resolve many common power issues with Lasko space heaters. If your heater still won't turn on after trying these steps, the problem may require more advanced troubleshooting. When basic troubleshooting fails, the internal fuse is often the culprit. Most Lasko heaters have an internal fuse that can blow due to electrical overload or component failure. To test the fuse, you'll need a multimeter set to continuity mode. Touch the probes to both ends of the fuse. If there's no continuity reading, the fuse is blown and needs replacement. When replacing the fuse, ensure it matches the exact amperage, voltage, and physical size. Using an incorrect fuse can create safety hazards or damage your heater. A flashing double 8 error code indicates a faulty thermistor. The thermistor measures ambient temperature, and when it fails, your heater cannot regulate heat properly. Thermistor replacement typically requires soldering skills. If you're not comfortable with electrical work, this is when you should contact a qualified repair technician. Many heaters have a built-in tilt switch for safety. If your heater isn't on a completely level surface, this switch may prevent it from turning on, even if everything else is working correctly. Regular filter cleaning is crucial for preventing motor overload. When air intake is blocked by dust and debris, the motor works harder, draws more current, and can blow the internal fuse. Remember, if you're not comfortable performing electrical repairs, always contact a qualified technician. Working with electrical components can be dangerous, and improper repairs may void your warranty or create safety hazards.